Hello everyone, welcome to another question and answer session dedicated to MRCS examining. Here the question: which of the followings does not pass through the superior orbital fissure? So it is the direct question. There is no scenario. It is direct question that the which of the following does not pass through the superior orbital fissure. We know that the superior orbital fissure, it is a fissure which is located in the base of the skull, and different structure passes to the superior orbital fissure. Now we have to find out which structure does not pass through the superior orbital fissure. So first of all, we have to know details about the superior orbital fissure and the structure passing through the superior orbital fissure. Here the answering options are lacrimal nerve, abducens nerve, ophthalmic artery, trochlear nerve, and superior ophthalmic vein. So we have to find out one of the option which is not goes through the superior orbital fissure. So let's see the next here. Here we can see this is the superior orbital fissure. Here this is the superior orbital fissure, and here we can see there is almost all of the nerve except two. These two are the veins. So the superior orbital fissure, it contains typically nerve and the vein. So if there is any artery, that will be the wrong answer. So here we can see this is the superior orbital fissure. Now we can see the content of the superior orbital fissure. That means the structure passing through the superior orbital fissure. First of all, we can see the lateral nerve, frontal nerve, and trochlear nerve. Lateral, frontal, and trochlear, they are from the ophthalmic division from the of the trigeminal nerve. Then we can see the superior branch of the oculomotor nerve and inferior branch of the oculomotor nerve. Oculomotor, it is the nerve number so the oculomotor nerve. So here we can see this is the oculomotor nerve, which is the three number of cranial nerve, then nasociliary nerve, and we can see here the inferior ophthalmic vein and the superior ophthalmic vein. So the superior inferior ophthalmic vein, lacrimal frontal trochlear nerve, and the oculomotor nerve, abducens nerve, and nasociliary nerve, they are the structure is passing through the superior orbital fissure. In this picture, we can see this is the optic canal, and through the optic canal, two important structure passed. One is the optic nerve, and second one is the ophthalmic artery. So artery, it passes through the optic canal. So here we can see this is the optic nerve. It passes through the optic canal into the orbital cavity, and second one is the ophthalmic artery, which branches from the internal carotid artery. This ophthalmic artery also passes through the optic canal and finally reaches into orbital cavity. So it is now clear that the optic nerve and ophthalmic artery, they passes through the optic canal, not through the superior orbital fissure. Here it is the superior orbital fissure. So we can see the structure passes through the superior orbital fissure on of the mnemonics here. Live frankly to see absolutely no insult. Or other mnemonics here, LFT on L for lacrimal, F for frontal, T for trochlear. Then here's O for oculomotor nerve, superior and inferior branches. Then N for nasociliary, and A for abducens. So through this mnemonic, we can easily remember the structure passing through the superior orbital fissure. LFT on a or liver function test on a, or live frankly to see absolutely no insult. So these two important mnemonics here, read or memorize one of the mnemonics to answer the question. So here lacrimal, frontal, trochlear, elliptic, then O for oculomotor, N for nasociliary, and A for abducens nerve. So our final answer is ophthalmic artery, because we saw there that the arterial area is not the superior orbital fissure. Artery passes through the optic canal. On the other hand, the lacrimal nerve, abducens nerve, trochlear nerve, and superior ophthalmic vein, they passes through the superior orbital fissure. And superior orbital fissure, it is dedicated for nerve and also is dedicated for vein, and it is not dedicated for any artery. So our final answer is the ophthalmic artery, because the ophthalmic artery, it passes through the optic canal. Thank you.